Ahrefs free trial and alternatives. Ahrefs does not offer a free trial of its full suite of SEO tools. However, they provide several free resources that allow users to access limited features without a subscription. 1. Ahrefs Webmaster Tools, AWT. AWT offers free access to essential tools for website owners. Site Explorer, analyze your website's backlinks and referring domains. Site Audit, identify technical SEO issues to improve site performance. How to access. AWT Sign Up. Visit the Ahrefs Webmaster Tools page and sign up using your Google account. Verify ownership. Add and verify your website by following the provided instructions. Utilize tools. Once verified, access Site Explorer and Site Audit for your website. 2. Free SEO Tools. Ahrefs offers a collection of free tools accessible without registration. Keyword Generator. Discover keyword ideas for various platforms. Backlink Checker. View the top backlinks to any website or web page. Website Authority Checker. Check the domain rating DR of any website. CRP Checker. Analyze the top 10 rankings for any keyword in any country. How to access free SEO tools. Navigate to the free SEO tools section on the Ahrefs website. Select the desired tool and input the necessary information to receive insights. 3. Ahrefs SEO Toolbar, a free browser extension providing on-page SEO reports, broken link checking, and more. How to install. Visit the Ahrefs SEO Toolbar page. Download and install the extension for your browser. Use the toolbar to analyze SEO metrics directly in your browser. 4. Ahrefs SEO WordPress plugin. For WordPress users, this plugin offers content audits and backlink monitoring. How to install. Go to your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to Plugins. Add new and search for Ahrefs SEO. Install and activate the plugin. Connect it to your Ahrefs account to start using its features. Note, while these free tools provide valuable insights, they have limitations compared to Ahrefs' full suite. For comprehensive access, consider subscribing to one of their paid plans.